at a woman like that?
I'm sorry. But you're beautiful.
Thank you. Looking at a woman lustfully is that.
Sorry. I'm Obiefuna.
Good. You can watch your step. He's quite handsome.
She's beautiful. I should have asked for her name. I should have said something to her. For the first time in my life that I'm talking to a woman. I should have finished it.
Obiefuna! Obiefuna!
Eh? Mama?
What are you doing here talking to yourself? What is making you happy?
Mama, nothing.
It's him nothing.
Nothing.
It's already late. Let's go inside.
I should have taken a picture of him. Rain. Is this love at first sight? My goodness, I can't stop thinking about him.
Obiefuna. Obiefuna. You're still sleeping. Won't you go to the farm?
Good morning.
Don't you know what the time is? And who is this girl you painted here?
No, I don't know her. I used to see her in my dreams.
Obiefuna. Have you started lying?
No. I'm not lying to you.
Get up and go to the farm.
I thought it was a ghost.
Ghosts don't run.
Then where were you running?
I wasn't running away from you. What?
Nothing.
Then why are you looking at me like that?
I can't help it. I can't stop looking at you.
Well, you have to learn to get hold of yourself.
Wait. I made it for you. Do you like it?
Well, it doesn't look like me.
At least I tried.
Well, try harder next time.
Thank God there's going to be a next time. That's good.
This is just so beautiful. It is beautiful.
Who is this girl that wants to make you mad? Eh?
Mama,
what is her name?
Mama, I've told you I don't know her name.
You don't know her name?
Yes, Mama.
Is that possible? She's beautiful.
Yes, she is.
Are you not going to the farm today?
Mama, today is Sunday.
Oh, I forgot. Ngwa, come and help me in the kitchen.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh.
What is keeping him?
Why are you here all alone?
What do you mean, what am I doing here all alone? Am I not old enough to stand alone?
Sorry. Please, what is your name?
What do you need my name for?
Just want us to be friends. I have been seeing you around, but I don't know if you are a ghost or a human.
Don't be silly. Why would you call me a ghost?
Stop making yourself look harsh. Okay, I'm sorry if I made you angry. So sorry. Sorry.
Hello. 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 He told me his name. No. Obiefuna. What's that it? Obiefuna. 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 Obiefuna.
This love is so strong, oh. Hey, it's unpredictable. I can't let you go off my heart, oh. A queen for nine, you are my everything, and I breathe the love. Sacrifice of love. No matter what may happen, I'll be there for you. I'll keep on thinking about you. I'll continue to love you. I will not hurt you or break your heart. Oh, I'll keep loving you.
Obefuna! Obefuna! Na! Hey! God has done it for us.
What happened?
God has answered our prayers. Chief Omelora has accepted to take you to the city as his apprentice. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes! To Lagos!
No, I am not going with him tomorrow. I am not.
Why?
Because I'm not ready. I need to get myself prepared.
No. Don't worry yourself. He has all that you will need. Oh, go and pack your things. Go, no gadro. Oh,
No, wait first, I'm coming.
Obiafuna!
You have to be fast. We have a long journey ahead.
What's that? I don't know why you look unhappy. You don't have to look unhappy. Omelora will take good care of you. Omelora, please, take good care of him for me.
Oh, you don't have problem.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Get into the car, let's go.
God bless you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Panye. Good. God bless you. Hey, thank you so much. Safe journey, oh. Hi. Okay, Ned. Hey.
No, I came to tell you that I'm going to the city. I came to say goodbye. But can you please tell me your name?
My friend, hurry up. I told you we have a long journey ahead of us.
Okay, sir. I want to go.
What?
I want to go.
By the time you come back to this village in 4 years' time, you will know that no woman is worth your tears.
That one is not my business. I want to go. I want to just go down and start going. What am I even saying?
Grow up. You have to help your mother.
Obiefuna, what happened?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? Where is Omelora?
He has gone to the city.
So why are you back here?
Nothing.
What is wrong with you? Obiefuna! Obiefuna! I'm talking to you! Obiefuna! Obiefuna, open this door! Obiefuna! Open this door! Obiefuna, open this door! Open this door, Obiefuna! My baby.
Mother.
You've been quiet lately. What is the problem?
Mother, I want to be left alone.
Come on. Baby, it's me. It's Mom. Is anything the matter?
Mom, I am fine.
You're fine. What's that? Wow! This is beautiful. Baby, who did this?
I don't know him.
Him? Someone from this community? Whoever that did this must be very, very talented. Where is he? Who is he? Oh my goodness. This is so real. Oh my gosh. Wow. Baby.
Don't do this, please. Please, don't just try it. Don't try it.
Don't do what, Obiefuna? I will burn them. I will burn them. Since you don't do any other thing in this house, rather than to stay and draw a woman, this same reason you refuse to follow Melora to the city.
Mama, give me that book. Give me that book, Mama. Give me that. Give me that thing, Mama.
Let me see how you will disgrace me in this house. Mama,
don't burn that thing. Don't burn that thing.
I will.
Mama, do you know what you're doing?
I know what I'm doing.
Mama,
I know what I'm doing. Yeah.
Mama, stop that fire. Stop
I will
it.
not.
Stop it, Mama.
I will not.
Mama, Mama, don't let this thing burn.
Yeah.
I'll push you down. I'll push you down.
Hey!
I'll push you down.
Push me down.
I'll push you down.
Push me.
Push me. Have you seen it?
Yes,
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Mama.
What are you doing here? Shame on you. Shame on you. Even me wog. You're here crying because of a woman. Nekwa, the love. Omenora wanted to help us, but you ran back home like a child. Ozungulam. How? I thought my son has grown. I thought my son is now a man. Mbano. The love. Because of a woman. When you have nothing to offer. Cobbleless. Chichijiro. Listen. Before I close my eyes and open them to the farm also. Obiefuna. Get up, I said! You want the love? Fandiazu. Nonsense.
Mother. Mom, I want to go back to Lagos.
Why?
Mom, I am tired of this place.
Norma, a few days ago, I asked that we go back to Lagos. But you totally refused. Why this sudden change of mind? What are you hiding from me?
Nothing, Mom.
Nothing.
I want to go back to Lagos tomorrow.
You're not forgetting anything in the house. Talk to mommy. Talk to mommy. What is the problem?
Mom, I will be fine.
You will be fine. Please, talk to mommy.
Mommy, I said I will be fine.
It's alright.
You mean you have been seeing this girl around in this village and you don't know her name?
She didn't tell me her name.
Okay, where is her yard?
I said I don't know where she lives.
Biafune, what is your problem? Eh? You don't know her yard. You don't know her name. Okay. See, if you know you really love this girl, you must find out about her. Or is she a ghost?
See, I don't care if she's a ghost or not. All I want now is to see her.
Yeah, very funny. Easy, eh? You will see her. You see her. I will see you in the evening. Let me go and see some of my friends. I'll see you.
Mom, wait.
What is that?
Mom, can we go back?
Why?
Nothing. I don't want to go back anymore.
No, but what is going on? Could you tell me what is going on?
Mom, nothing is going on. I don't just want to go back to Lagos anymore. Let's go back to the house. Please. Please. Please.
If you don't stop this madness with that girl, I'll kill myself!
Mama, for the first time in my life, I want to behave like a man.
A man indeed. That is how you refuse to follow Omelara to the city.
Mama, Omerola is a ritualist and I don't like him.
Ah! Shut up! You're a fool.
Mama, I'm not a fool.
And I said you're a big fool.
Mama, I'm not a fool. I am not.
Hey. Kambiakwa. So you now talk back at me. You now raise your voice at me. Odema, I will kill myself today.
You won't drunk kill yourself.
I'll keep on thinking about you. I'll continue to love you. I will not hurt you.
Mama, Biko, just stop it. Mama, Biko. Mama, please stop this. Mama, you have to stop this now, please.
You have to choose between being a man and that girl.
Mama, I will stop everything about her. Please stop this, please, Mama.
I don't believe you.
Mama, I will stop every madness about her. I'll stop it. Please believe me, please, you have to stop this.
If I die on this, my blood will be on your head.
Mama, you will not die. Stop this, please.
You will go to the city with Melora.
Bam, I will. I promise, I will, Mama, I will. But you have to stop this now, please.
Don't touch me! Nah, please, don't disappoint me. Oh? Keep your head straight and don't disrespect your master. Oh?
Yes, ma'am.
Anya nana. Wow. You know?
Madam, I'll send message across to you when we get to the city, eh?
Oh?
Mama, you can't forget about this village boy. Forget about him. Move on and stop hurting yourself. What has he done to you? I can't just forget about him. You know what? Try hard. Forget him. Forget him. Whenever you see him coming on the road, keep your head straight and keep walking. Right?
The next youth jammer, I am taking it. Pure.
Says who?
Me.
Don't allow Obika to hear that.
Don't go there.
Else.
Don't think of it. I am collecting the next youth jammer.
Cholesterol.
Good evening.
Evening.
Even.
Please, I want to talk to you.
Mama Shine, please import one chair quickly.
No. It's okay. It's fine. I don't want to sit.
Yeah.
I'm looking for that your friend.
My friend? Here. Oyibo, I have so many friends. So many friends, but which one are you talking about?
I don't know his name. He's tall and dark.
Oh, tall, black. Obiefuna. Obiefuna. He left for the city. He has gone to the city. Oh yes. Huh?
To the city. When?
Yeah. Too many questions. Obiefuna left to the city yesterday.
Sorry. When is he coming back?
Till thy kingdom come.
Obiefuna will report back from the city. Once his master settles him, bam! He will report here. He's my friend. Any problem?
No, there's no problem. I'm fine.
See?
Thank you.
If there's anything you want Obiefuna to do for you, I can do it better. He's my very close friend.
We can do it better.
This city girl, and Obiefuna, I don't understand. Her drama is kind of
You don't need that girl. Those city
Are
girls.
you not thinking she's come on, man. Am I not? Come on.
Sacrifice of love. If this love is so strong, hey, it's unpredictable. I can't let you go off my heart, oh.
My daughter, what is wrong with you? Did anybody harass you? Eh? What now? Baby, are you crying?
No.
Why can't you share what is eating you up? So we can find the solution together.
Mom,
Yes?
please, can we go back to Lagos tomorrow?
No way. You cannot do this sabbatical for me. Few days ago you said we should go back to Lagos. On our way you changed your mind. Today you're telling me you want us to go back to Lagos tomorrow. That will not work. If you do not want to tell me what is eating you up, you can as well sit down there, cry as much as you want. Rubbish.
Hey, who is here? Mr. Man, give me Allen key. Are you deaf? Give me Allen key.
No, sorry.
What the phone, man?
What do you want?
Allen key, Ichirinte.
Already come.
Also, do fast.
We have two colors.
Does this thing look like Allen key? Hey! Idiot! Obobu! Imagine what Allen key.
It's not Allen.
So this is the way you send my customers away? Eh? So this is what you do?
I will not do anything.
Next time, come back and meet you in this mood. I swear, I'll send you back to the village.
Sorry, sir.
Where is Emeka?
I don't know.
You don't know. What is that you are holding there?
Sir, nothing.
You are holding my money.
Sir, it's not your money, sir. Sir, it's not your money. It's my paper.
You are busy drawing a woman. Eh? Drawing a woman. Uselessing yourself. Now, leave my shop.
Huh?
I said leave my shop. Leave my shop. Leave my shop.
Okay.
Yes, what is it?
I want to go.
You want to go to where?
I want to go back to another.
You want to go back to the village so that you continue drawing woman? Eh?
Okay.
Obi,
Alpha.
what happened?
What happened where?
Why did he come back?
Is that how to tell your friend welcome?
What kind of friend? What kind of welcome? Welcome for a few days apprentice.
I am not doing again. Is it by force? Did you see her?
Did I see her? Now I know why you foolishly came back, Obi.
Mind you, I am not foolish.
Then what?
I am not.
What are you if you're not foolish? Now let me ask one question. This girl of a question. If you see her, are you going to eat her? Or is she going to change this your poverty level to a better level?
Do you know what you are? Okay, me.
Ma.
That is what you are.
Me?
What?
Me? Uche. You must be a fool. Hey! That must be a fool.
What happened?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Then why are you here?
Ma, I don't like that place.
Ha! Obiefuna, you're a failure. Ibo atowo. Subadru. So this is why my son ran back from the city. We shall see.
Just for you.
Obiefuna. And where are you going to?
I want to go and see Uche.
If you know what is good for you, you follow me to the farm. That is the only way I can forgive you.
Where's my food? Mama?
I'll get it.
My food.
Nah. Where is my food? Which food? Hmm? I do not feed a goat. You want to eat? Fine. Go out there and walk like other men. Oh?
My love, where have you been?
What is it? What is wrong with you? Are you stupid?
Oh, Bifuna! Can you just stop this?
Stop! Come! Stop! Mama. Ne. Mama, stop! Come on. Please wait, please. Please wait, please. Ne, I've been looking all over for you in this village, just to see you.
Can we just end this drama?
We can't end it. Can't you see? This whole thing is choking me. Is it not choking you?
It's nothing choking. How could you? I just want you to stay away from me, please.
Ne,
I am.
Can we just... What is this now? Eh? Mama.
What are you doing here? Eh? Is this the way to the farm?
No, ma.
Come on! Will you go back to the farm also? Before I break your head? Obiefuna! Eh? Come on, go to the farm! Mama.
You are my everything, and I breathe the love of my life. Oh, Hemenu mana anyigadio, Hemenu mana I got you. No matter what may happen, I'll be there for you. I'll keep on thinking about you. I'll continue to love you. I will not hurt you or break your heart.
Obiafuna.
I'll keep loving you.
Obiafuna. Obiafuna.
I would do anything just for you.
Listen, there will be no food for you in this house until you change your ways.
Feeling chokes him too. At least I should have let him come closer. Mama, what is wrong with you? At least you should have let him touch you. Oh.
You're still awake?
Oh, Mom. Yes.
You look happy this night.
Yes, Mom.
Do you mind sharing a bit of that with me?
Not yet.
Not yet. Norma, are you in love? Where is he?
Mom, nobody.
Okay. Alright. If you don't mind sharing that with me now, I will wait. Meanwhile, good night.
Good night, Mom. Mom? Yes? Are you not forgetting something?
Okay?
You too. Good night. Good night.
Are you alright?
Yes, sir.
That's your camera. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Thank you very much.
It's okay. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks in this village.
Yes, thank you.
Don't always walk on this path alone. Please.
No, I won't. I won't do it again.
You're alright, eh?
Yes, I'm fine.
You can go now.
No. I can't walk alone. Please just walk me down a little bit. I'm scared. Please.
It's okay. Let's go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm fine.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
Come to say goodbye. I love you. Always.
Ne, you're not dead. Please don't go. Please don't leave me.
Till we meet to part no more.
Please wait. Ne. Noma. Mama. Don't go, you're not dead. I hate you! I hate you! You are a murderer!
Hey! God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
Nah.
God forbid.
Oginekwa.
God forbid.
What is it?
God forbid.
Oginekwa.
God forbid.
Obiefuna. Oginekwa.
You're happy now, eh? Are you not happy? Are you not happy now?
What is it?
Are you not happy now?
Ogini.
Norma is dead! Norma is dead, yes! I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Obiefuna. Obiefuna.
She was all I had.
Mom, I know. And I'm so sorry for her death. My mother took her life this morning. I know how you feel. But I promise I am going to help you in any way a child can help a mother. I will always be around. But please, I want you to take me like your son. I've already taken you like my mother. But if you don't want to take me like your son, you can equally take me as your servant. And I will do anything you want me to do. I'll do anything to make you happy. I will. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you.
I'm going to London next week to take a short rest. At least to unwind. To ease off Bill's tension. Take care of myself a bit.
Mom, I don't know what to say. But I pray that God will guide you, protect you, bless everything you're going to do. You're a good woman. You're very kind. May God bless you, ma.
It's alright. Come sit. It's okay.
Sacrifice of love. If this love is so strong, oh, hey, it's unpredictable. I can't let you go off my heart, oh. I'll quit for nothing.
He's heartbroken.
The love of my life, oh. Hemenu mana anyigadio. Hemenu mana anyigadio. Sacrifice of love. No matter what may happen, I'll be there for you.
Mom, do you need anything?
No. But you've been working since morning. You need to take some rest.
I'm almost done. I will rest when I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Am I really doing this?
Ma?
Oh, nothing. Obi! 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 Come.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you eaten?
I'm about to do that now.
Okay. When you're done eating, come and see me in my room.
Okay, ma'am. Mom, I came to thank you for your clothes.
Okay, that's them.
Yeah, I did. And they're all nice.
They look good on you.
They're all so beautiful.
So go and enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. God bless you.
What a nice boy. He's really nice. I'll do everything to make him happy. Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on.
And what you're doing is not right.
It's right. Just hold me.
No, it's not right. Stop it.
Just hold me.
Stop it.
Touch me.
No, stop it.
Touch me. Just hold me.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Is this a dream or what? What sort of dream is this? Am I really crushing on this guy? Confused. I wish you could see.
I wish you could hear my voice.
What is this? I've warned you severally to put away this picture. That this picture reminds me of my pain. What are you doing? You said you were going to try everything to make me happy. Meanwhile, you're bringing me down memory lane to remember my pain. She was my life. She was my all. Is this the happiness you promised giving me? Asking you to put it away does not mean I do not love my daughter. It's for me to be able to survive. You bringing it up like this, you remind me of the happiness we both shared, of our joy, of the beautiful times we had together. If you keep doing this, you'll be leaving my house.
Mama, I'm sorry, but this is the only thing that makes me to remember her.
Really?
I miss her too. I miss her a lot. Having her picture makes me feel good.
You have to leave. The pain is choking me. I wanted us to live together as a family, so that I can pick up the pieces of my life together. It is like you don't want it. You can leave.
Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot do without this picture.
It's okay. Leave.
continue to love you. I will not hurt you or break your heart. Oh, I'll keep loving you. Ijere, ijere.